Hello, God's people. I just want to share to you 4 things that will kill your spiritual growth. Number 1 is laziness. Laziness in terms of reading God's Word, laziness in terms of prayer, laziness in terms of going to church or attending services like small groups, even prayer meeting, tinatamad na tayo. Number 2 is comparison. We compare ourselves to other people na sinasabi natin, bakit sila pinagpapala? Hindi naman sila nagsisimba. Bakit ako hindi ako pinagpapala ng Lord? Madalas naman ako sa simbahan, nakikita naman ako sa simbahan. Pero always remember that God has a perfect timing at hintayin mo lang yung pinaka-the best na ibibigay ng Lord sa'yo. Number 3 is unwillingness to walk away from sin. Isa ito sa mga bagay na pumapatay sa ating spiritual growth. Yung unwillingness na mag-walk away, umalis sa lahat ng uri ng kasalanan. And number 4 is pride. Isa ito sa hate ng Lord, yung pride. Kaya kailangan natin tanggalin yung pride natin, umiwas tayo at alisin natin yung mga bagay na alam natin na naglalayo sa atin sa ating Panginoon. So, that's it. 4 things that will kill your spiritual growth. God bless you.